cycle which I have made with a little help of my mama and sisters. It starts from here. The water present in water bodies evaporates due to the heat of sun and turns into water vapor, and this water vapor goes up in the sky. This process is called evaporation. And when the vapor goes up in the sky and cools down and forms clouds, this process is called condensation. And when a cloud cannot hold itself, when water cannot hold itself in clouds anymore and falls down on earth in the form of rain and snow, this process is called precipitation. And when the rainwater goes in the water bodies again, this is called collection of water. In this way, the water cycle continues to balance water distribution on the earth. Percolation is the movement of water through the soil itself. As the water percolates in the deeper layers of the soil, it reaches groundwater, which is below the surface. Now, transpiration. Plants takes water from the soil and releases it in water vapor into the air through their leaves. And now this is how a water cycle works.